This video, let's check the proof for famous law of sine, which states that if we have a triangle with side ABC and a circumcircle, then the ratio of A upon sine A, B upon sine B and C upon sine C will be equal, and that too is equals to the diameter of this circumcircle. And this proof is so simple, we can do it in 30 seconds. Before we check the proof, if you want the complete list of all the theorems and formulas related to circle, you can check the link provided in the comment section. Okay, let's check the proof for law of sine. So here let's take part of it, that is A upon sine A will prove as equals to 2r. For that, let's draw the diameter of this circle from point C meeting at point D. Also, let's join DB here. We know that in a circle, diameter always subtends an angle of 90 degree. So angle B here is 90 degree. So further we'll use angle in the same segment theorem, which states that if a chord is subtending an angle in a circle, then this same chord will subtend same angle in the remaining part of the segment. That is, BC chord will subtend same angle at point D. If we'll assume this angle A as alpha degree, then this angle D will also be alpha degree. Now in this right angle triangle DBC, applying trigonometric ratios, we get sine alpha is perpendicular upon perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So sine alpha is BC upon DC. BC length is A, alpha is same as angle A, and DC length is diameter, which is 2r. So we get sine A is A upon 2r. Cross multiplying it, we'll get 2r is A upon sine A. Same way we can also prove 2r is B upon sine B and C upon sine B. And that's our proof. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.